Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2000 Honda Shadow Ace Edition 750cc V-twin, liquid cooled. This thing's loaded with beautiful touring accessories, including highway lights, full windscreen, engine guard, floorboards. Wait till you hear this Vance & Hines exhaust, saddlebags, passenger backrest, new tires. This bike's in beautiful shape. Only $34.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.